Dave here, and thanks for joining me. We are going to take a look at this master bathroom setup right here. Right now we're going to go into the hallway and make our way into the master bedroom. We're going to briefly take a quick look. We had the sheetrock crew install the sheetrock in the house. They just wrapped up the master bedroom and the master bathroom suite. So we're going to walk through there, take a brief look at the walk-in closet, and then we'll enter into the master bathroom, and I'll show you what that looks like sheetrocked, and we're going to get ready to start spackling soon. So we're going to be taking a look at this area in particular, which will be the soak tub, the his and her sink, private toilet, and the shower. So let's go take a look.
Okay guys, so we're having the house sheetrocked right now, and we're going to go into the master bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom layout right now and how big this bathroom really looks once it's sheetrocked. Alright guys, so we are in the master bedroom right now. We had the room sheetrocked, and I'm going to show you quickly what the master bedroom and the master bedroom ceiling look like, and then we're going to go through the walk-in closet and the master bathroom. Okay, so take a look at this beautiful ceiling. This is a 10-foot tray ceiling. It's flat up on the middle section. It slopes down on a 45-degree around the four sides, and it just makes this room really, makes it elevate. Has a lot of volume here. We have a lot of windows, and room's really going to look amazing when we're finished. We're going to be putting crown molding going around the perimeter here, and as you turn here, there's going to be a barn door that's going to slide open, and that leads you into the walk-in closet master bathroom suite. So let's take a look. All right guys, so this is the walk-in closet. It's about 14 by 12 feet, and as you walk in right now, you can see we have the soak tub already on site. But as we pass through here, there'll be a door, and this takes you into the master bathroom. And as we're in here now, there will be a soak tub. You can see the orange outline of the soak tub that's going over there. It'll be right underneath this window here. We have a double vanity in this corner here. You can see it's sort of marked out in the orange. There's a private toilet right over here. So there'll be a door that opens in, and here's the toilet. You got a window in there and venting. And over here is the private shower. So this will be a big glass door going across a panel of glass with a door. And as you look in here, you have the controls. You'll have dual recessed lights, a rain head on the top, and a handheld on the wall. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below, it says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.